Hey everyone, it's Dr. Mike, founder of Performance Health and Chiropractic, an integrated healthcare facility that combines chiropractic care with functional medicine to help you eliminate your pain, reduce your risk of chronic disease, and reach your desired health goals. Today, I've got a special treat for you. When I first started dabbling with videos, it was probably about this time a year ago, I started to just shoot some videos for fun to see how they would come out. Didn't know what to expect, but as I was looking through my archives, I came across a video that I shot when I was out in San Francisco, California last year. And it was amongst the giant redwood trees, and when I was sitting there, I'm looking at the age of these trees. I mean, hundreds and hundreds of years old these trees are, and they're huge. So while I was amongst the giant redwood trees, I decided to shoot a video to give you my #1 tip, which is powerful, that would help you live a longer, healthier life and improve the overall quality of your life. So, hope you enjoyed this week's video. Kick back, relax, and then enjoy. I'm here today in the San Francisco Bay Area at Muir Woods, the home of some of the giant redwoods you can see here in the background. These big giant trees that live to be hundreds and hundreds of years old. So what I want to do for you today is give you one solid tip that will help you live a greater and healthier life. Maybe not hundreds of years old, but extend the longevity of your life, and more importantly is reduce your risk of different illnesses like diabetes, heart disease, and things of that nature. My one tip for you today is to make sure that you can control inflammation. Now, when I talk about inflammation, I'm not talking about you just tripped over a curb, rolled your ankle, you've got a red, hot, swollen ankle. I'm talking about something that's more systemic, meaning it's throughout your body. It's something that you're not even aware of. It's a very low level of inflammation. And one of the biggest contributing factors that contributes to this inflammation is the food that you eat. Now, some of the major contributing foods to inflammation are sugars and grains. So we really got to make sure that you watch your sugar intake. So you really want to reduce your intake of high fructose corn syrup especially, which is found in cookies and sodas and a lot of your baked goods. This stuff is terrible. It contributes to systemic inflammation and is what's going to lead to ultimately is diabetes, cancer, and obesity. One of the other biggest contributing factors is grains. And grains like breads, pizzas, pastas, crackers. We were all told that whole grains are good for us, but quite to the contrary, grains are what are making a lot of us sick and ill. So you really want to make sure that you limit your grain intake. We hear there's a lot of buzz these days about gluten, which is a protein found in wheat. And again, it's gluten, this protein found in wheat. It's also found in rye, barley, and oats at times, but that's what's really contributing to a lot of inflammation and causing a lot of issues today. So if you want to grow old like these giant redwood trees, you definitely want to make sure that you're controlling inflammation. The two best things that you can do to control inflammation is make sure you reduce your sugar intakes and try to eliminate or significantly reduce your grain intake. That's all for now. Dr. Mike coming to you from Muir Woods here in the San Francisco Bay Area. I hope you found tremendous value out of that video, and make sure to touch base with me online. Welcome back from California. What you guys think of those giant redwood trees? Are you going to live as long as those trees? I certainly hope you do. The biggest takeaway from that video is the foods that you consume are going to make up your ultimate health. So if you're making poor choices, it's going to lead down the path of chronic disease. You make better choices with good quality foods, whole foods, nutrient-dense foods. They're going to create a better quality of life and give you more longevity, just like those giant redwood trees. So make sure you institute that information into your life so that you can live a longer, healthier, and a better quality of life. As always, I hope you found tremendous value in that video. I hope you look forward to the videos that we'll have for you down the road. Please remember to subscribe to our channel. That way you'll get the most up-to-date information and receive first notification for it. Please share this information with your friends and family. This just may be the information that they need at this particular point in their lives that will help take their life from a path of chronic disease towards optimal health. Until we meet again, remember to eat well, move often, and stay healthy.